Alright, so we're going to put the Vintage Air dress-up kit, pulleys, water pump, power steering, all of that good stuff on. So we're going to follow the instructions because I've never done one of these before. But first step was to put in the studs here. And let's get our water pump. And here's our water pump. Whew. Come on, baby. There's our water pump. Nice billet. Water pump. Oh, there it is. Nice billet water pump. So, that's it right there. It's gonna look real good. It's gonna look real good. So, let's get this, make sure this fits. What the heck? What the heck? There we go. Oh, it's gotta go in like seriously even. Yeah. A little bit of finagling, we'll get it. That's it right there. So that's our water pump. It's nice and light, man. Alright, so let's get some, we got our gaskets here. Gotta put a real little thin coat of silicone on. And these will be our gaskets here. Perfect. Alright. As I said, we're just going to use very little silicone, so. We don't want to make a mess. We just want to coat them. Yeah, piece of cardboard so I don't get all over my leg. Goes here. We might be cutting that little tab off there. Okay, slide this bad boy in. Okay. Try to work clean. Trying to work clean. Alright, so we got the water pump on. Alright, so we got our AC pump on, alternator pump, brackets on. Now we're just gonna bolt it up, tighten everything down, get the power steering pump on. But we're gonna get all of this packed down, so Now we, let's see, these bolts are 4-inch. Call it for another 4-inch bolt. But that's 4-inch 12-point. Okay, and then what nut goes on it? Let's see here. We have these ones. These are 12-point. Should be 4 of these bad boys. Alright, well, we're going to lock this down, so we're okay. I'm going to put a dot. Oh, wait a minute, these are, I'm just going to put a dot just for that. I am using Loctite, but I'm using very, very, very little. I don't know if these are lockers. Ooh, what the hell, where'd it go? Shit, behind it. Yeah, see, they're not lockers, so. So there's torque specs to this, so. At least they give you some torque specs. I'm gonna whack my knee. I just can't believe how long these studs are. I guess you could cut them down if you wanted to. Okay. Alright. So the water pump torque specs are, let's see, 24 to 28. We ordered a new reservoir. Real simple to change. We just got our new one in from CVF Racing. I believe that's the name. And we're going to upgrade this pump to the aluminum pump reservoir, which is really nice. So pretty simple. You just knock out these tabs, take a flathead screwdriver, tap them out. I already started them, so you take those out, pop the bottom one out, give it a small twist, and there's your reservoir. It's out. I would change the O-ring because I don't know if it has a different diameter for this one pump, but it's very possible it has a different diameter because it is an aftermarket part. So here's our O-ring. Let's put our O-ring on here. It's a little bit of oil in there, so which is good. And all we do is just reverse the process. Oh, there's that. That's on there. I'm going to use the new clips. The clips are a little bit different than those. I'm guessing. You know what? We could use the old clips. And that's it. That's it. I think we're going to powder coat these clips. And that's it. So it's pretty straightforward, pretty simple. From this to this. This is ugly, and this looks nice and retro. So thanks for watching.